Let me walk you through how to record your vocals in FL Studio step by step if you're a beginner. And at the end, I'm going to review one secret that most producers are missing. Alright, so before you can actually record your vocals, record any vocals in FL Studio, you have to connect your audio interface to your FL Studio. And I'm going to show you how to set up your audio interface in FL Studio if you're a beginner. First, move on to options. Then right from there, I want you to click on audio settings. Alright. And over here, device, I want you to click here and select your audio interface. If you are using Behringer, M Audio, Sony, think of any audio interface that you are using, Focusrite, it will be here after you have installed your drivers. All right, so choose your audio interface here. All right, so as you can see mine here, so choose yours, click on the buffer length, and I want you to select 1024. All right, that's gonna help you if you're a beginner. Then next, I want you to click here and change to highest. All right, I want you to change the priority to highest. Then over the playback tracking, if it's on drivers or hybrid, I want you to change it to mixer. And over here, I want you to leave it as default. All right, then what you have to pay attention to is this offset knob here. Don't drag it to this side, neither this side. All you have to do is to right click and select reset. All right, so this is gonna reset everything right from here. I want you to close this, then open the mixer track. Before you can actually record in FL Studio, you have to select any of this insert channel. All right, so I'm gonna use insert channel 1. Then when you click on the insert channel 1, over the mixer insert 1, I want you to click here, then choose your audio interface microphone, where the microphone is located. You see most of the audio interface have a lot of different slots for microphones. All right, so choose where the microphone is connected. Mine is connected to the input 2. All right, so I'm going to choose that. Now you can actually see signal here. This means that we are getting signal from our microphone. All right, and for you to record, you have to make sure you turn on this record button here. If it is off, turn it on. All right, now after that, open your playlist. So I'm gonna use this instrument. If it's on pattern, I want you to change it to song. All right, so that it will play from here. And you can actually turn on the counter knob so that it's gonna count 1 2 3 before you start recording. All right, but for me, I'm gonna turn it off. Now guys, this is the common mistake that most producers are doing. They will not start with auto tune. All right, they will never start with auto tune. So at the end, the artist will give them the vocals, and when the artists are no more there, they will be finding it difficult to set up the auto tune. So what I will tell you is to record with auto tune. So I'm going to use auto tune access. Now if the artist is singing, all right, so try and use full routine speed and give it a little bit humanized. Then I'm going to change this to D minor, super simple. Then guys, let's introduce reverb. I'm going to use the fruity reverb 2. Then increase the room size, add more reverb, reduce the decay time, and increase the pre-delay a little bit, guys. And I'm gonna reduce the send knob here. All right, now guys, go and record the vocals. Before you can actually record onto your playlist, you have to turn on this record button. All right, and you're gonna ask you all these options. You have to choose everything. All right, super simple. So now when I hit the space bar on the keyboard, it will hit on play, it will start recording. So gonna click on the play button and start recording. I turn on the notification bell, like, comment, let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, so after recording, what you have to do is to turn this off. Then you can actually come here and turn off this one too. right? Now you can add compressor and start mixing the vocals. But what I'm gonna do is to double click and hit on normalize, all right? And this gonna give me, and this gonna compress my vocals automatically for me. And as you are listening, make sure you open the auto tune, all right? And listen to it carefully. Started from the bottom, now heading to the top. Searching for the moolah, that be why you know the see. When they live expensive life, boy, you know be cheap. Time through the money, challenge no be pepper soup. The life you they live, only vibes can tell. You try me, boy, my I read. So this be my settings for the reverb, a little bit pre-delay, and the decay time. I'm gonna give it a little bit. You can actually watch the video that will pop up on the screen to know how to set up reverb perfectly. I'm gonna control the knob here, all right? Give it a little bit. I don't want much. Then guys, I just added this auto tune voice compressor. Click here, went to artist preset. Then from here I chose aggressive rap lead, all right? This gonna compress the vocals a little bit for me. This is my auto tune. Push the routine speed, give it a little bit humanized, and this is the reverb settings. So now let's listen to the vocals now. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Sorry for the background noise, guys. This one is just for demonstration purpose. This one is just for experimentation. This is just a demonstrative purpose, all right? So let's listen to the vocals. Sorry for the background noise. Let go. All right, yeah. Let go. Yeah. Started from the bottom, now heading to the top. Searching for the moolah, that be why you know the see. When they live expensive life, boy, you know be cheap. Time through the money, challenge no be pepper soup. The life you they live, only vibes can tell. You try me, boy, my I read. Yeah, alright, let go. Yeah. At this point, I want you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. But how can you mix your vocals in FL Studio? Watch the next video that will pop up on the screen.